Hi guys, my name is Shuli and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be doing another review of these Miss Claire lip pencils. I already have a Miss Claire swatch video up on my channel. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down in the description box or somewhere here so that you can see it. This is like an in-depth review only on the lip pencils, also swatches of these 4 shades that I have. And if you see me talking weirdly, it's because I have a sore on my upper lip because of the constant friction with my braces. I just got them tightened yesterday, so yeah, I'm in a lot of pain. So if I do something like that, please don't mind during the video. Secondly, the video may look very gloomy to you because it's raining cats and dogs here in Navi Mumbai like crazy. We don't have artificial lighting, which is a big mistake. I think it's high time that I invest in one, and I might do it soon. So yeah, you will have to wait for that. But yeah, let's work with what we have. There's no lighting, but I think we'll just adjust with what we have here. So yeah, before we move into the video, I would request you to go down and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My Instagram handle is also linked down in the description box for you. Go follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of my stuff on a daily basis there. And yeah, let's jump right in. Let's start off with the swatches first because I know a lot of you come here just for the swatches. Let's get it out of the way and then I'll put in a mini review at the end for those of you who are interested. Also, I've shot like this look, which will either go before this video or after this. So yeah, if you watched it already, then great. If you haven't, then stay tuned. So my earlier lipstick is off, as you can see, bare lips. I'm just gonna put on some foundation powder so that we have a neutral base. This is one of the best red colors that I've ever come across. I'm so excited to try these under my red lipsticks because I don't look good with red lipsticks. So maybe this will make me look a little bit better with red lipsticks. So really excited to use this. This is the newest one out of all of those. I recently ordered this. So yeah. So I hope you may have enjoyed this swatches. Now coming to the review, these are priced at rupees 65 or 75, I am not sure. I used to buy them years ago for I think 45 or 55, I don't know. But anyway, despite of being 65 or 75, they are like really inexpensive and they perform well for their price. I won't say these are the best lip liners that I've ever used. I have used better ones, but obviously that came with a price. The more expensive products you purchase, the better quality they deliver. That's pretty obvious. But for the price, these are really good. Okay, like for rupees 65 or for rupees 75, you can have a lot of these. Like if you go into purchase a more premium brand, or not even a more premium brand, a little bit, I would say a premium luxury brand like say Nykaa or L'Oreal or Maybelline, you'll have to shell out at least 350 bucks or 450 bucks for one lip liner, which is still not really expensive, but it is obviously more expensive than this. And if you go into premium brands like MAC or something, then you'll have to shell out like 1500, 2k, 2.5k for lip liners, which is not sensible for a lot of people, especially if you are a student or if you're somebody who is not earning yet. I think it's a waste of money, because maybe with a little inferior quality you can find something very similar in the drugstore. So for somebody who's just starting out with makeup, or somebody who likes to have a lot of these without emptying their pockets too much, these are a really good bet. They have n number of shades, and I agree, a lot of them look very similar to each other. They're not really inclusive, but you will find your perfect match. Like for example, I have four of these here, and all of them can serve their own different purposes. Like this one, it could be used under darker vampy shades, then this one could be used under more fuchsia, more pinker shades, this is more nude, and this is red. So you can use the same lip liner under a range of the similar family colors. So I think these are great for that. Now coming to the formula aspect of it, it is very drying. Not so much on the lips, like once you apply them, then they're not like super drying or they're gonna make your lips really chapped and really terrible. But when you apply it, you have to really drag, because it's I would say not a smooth application, and it's really hard to fill in your lips with it. The lining part is easy, the filling in part is much more difficult. Apart from that, these last really good. These last really long, like 4 to 5 hours. Aram say these are not gonna budge or move anywhere. Also, these help make your lipsticks adhere much better and last much longer than they would, if you compare it to wearing the lipsticks alone. And that actually goes with a lot of lip liners in general. But yeah, these are great. Just the drying aspect while applying is a little bit of a task. And if you are someone who has a little bit like you have little drier lips, then I would suggest that you moisturize your lips, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then rub it off using a towel, so that you get rid of the excess dry flaky skin on your lip, and then just dab on some lip balm so that your lips stay moisturized throughout the day. But I'll just give you a little disclaimer: if you have a lot of lip balm on your lips, these lip pencils glide so much that they don't leave any intensity behind. So it's to actually get the full intensity of these lip liners, it's essential that your lips are dry. So yeah, I hope you understand what I mean. And that was the end of this really short and sweet review plus swatches of one of our most favorite brands, Miss Claire. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.